Google Nest Camera, no video issue. What's new and how to fix it? Imagine the frustration of relying on your Google Nest Camera for security, only to be greeted with a blank screen and the message, "This video isn't available yet. Check back later." This has been a persistent issue for many users, but there's finally some good news. Google has released a patch that might just solve this long-standing problem. Let's dive into the details and see what this means for users. Google Home, a cornerstone of smart home technology, has faced numerous issues over the years. One of the most annoying problems has been with Google Nest cameras, where users often encounter a no video error when trying to access their camera's history. This issue has been a thorn in the side of many users, but a recent update to version 3.36 of the Google Home app might finally offer a solution. The patch notes, as reported by 9to5Google, include two significant bug fixes. The first addresses the no video available error, stating that users will encounter fewer instances where a recent video is not yet available for streaming. The second fix ensures that turning a camera off and on during a live stream will no longer result in a camera unavailable error, allowing the stream to recover properly. But here's where it gets controversial. While these fixes are a step in the right direction, the patch notes only mention seeing fewer cases of the problem occurring. This leaves room for interpretation. Will the issue be completely resolved, or will it just be less frequent? And this is the part most people miss. The patch is a welcome development, but it's important to note that Google Home's troubles don't end with Nest cameras. Over the past few months, there have been multiple complaints about various Google Home speakers. These issues seem to stem from the transition from Google Assistant to Google Gemini, which has caused significant disruptions. The problems have escalated to the point where Anish Katakaran, the chief product officer for Google Home and Nest, had to take to X to apologize and promise long-term solutions. However, just a week after the apology, new reports surfaced indicating that the issues were worsening. A Reddit thread highlighted that voice controls for smart lights had stopped working entirely, and there were even whispers of a potential lawsuit. This raises the question, is Google doing enough to address these issues, or are they merely putting band-aids on deeper problems? Google Home users have been through a lot, and it's clear that the company is trying to make amends. But the question remains, will these fixes be enough to restore user confidence? If you're a Google Home user, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Are you still experiencing issues, or have things started to improve? Let us know in the comments below. For more insights and tips, check out our other articles on smart home technology and security. And remember, your feedback is invaluable in helping us understand the challenges you face and how we can better support you. More from Tom's Guide. How to avoid tick bites this summer. Top tips from a pest expert on how to stay safe. Eufy's new home security camera uses AI to help you see better at night. Your security cameras are in the wrong spots. Here's how to fix it. What's new in Google Home app 3.34, 3.35, 3.36, major camera updates, and bug fixes. Discover the game-changing updates in Google Home 3.34, 3.35, and 3.36 that could completely transform your smart home experience. Recently, Google started publishing detailed changelogs for the Home app on both Android and iOS. And the latest release notes for these versions are now accessible. After the previous update around mid-June, Google simultaneously released 3 sets of release notes. Version 3.34, dated June 9th, 2025, introduces new smart lock enhancements, including features that align with the Yale Smart Lock with Matter. This update also brings personalized favorites on the Google Home app for Wear OS, allowing you to easily customize your most used devices and routines. Features in version 3.34. Expanded locks experience. You now have a range of functions at your fingertips, including the management of passcodes, scheduling access times, and one-tap entry for your smart locks. Other capabilities include setting an automatic lock, engaging vacation mode, and receiving door status notifications. Customizable favorites. The update provides the flexibility to personalize your favorite devices, actions, and automated routines for each interface, including the Wear OS version of the app. Bug fixes in version 3.34. Enhanced setup processes. An issue that unintentionally redirected users during device setup has been resolved. Accurate device status updates. The problem with device status not updating correctly has been fixed so that you can always see the true state of your devices. Crash reductions. Various crashes, particularly those affecting audio and device linking functions, have been addressed to boost the app's overall stability. But here's where it gets controversial. Version 3.35, which rolled out on June 23, 2025, focuses on a major camera update and is currently the most stable release on devices we've checked. Notably, while the CAS controller refresh is available in preview for Android, it is not yet widely implemented. Features in version 3.35. Camera event notification enhancements. Every camera event notification now comes with both a static thumbnail and a substantial animated preview. This feature is designed to give you a clearer idea of the event. On iOS, you bear down on the notification to see the animation, while on Android, simply tap the expand arrow. Intuitive camera controller gestures. The update introduces simple swipe gestures that allow you to navigate effortlessly. For instance, swiping left or right toggles between the timeline and events list. A downward swipe on the central control bar expands or collapses the player, and swiping down on the camera player dismisses it. CAS controller refresh, Android public preview. This refresh aligns the UI with the latest design standards while enhancing reliability and performance. Bug fixes in version 3.35. Enhanced app stability. A crash related to Swift's generic specialization has been addressed to improve overall stability. Device linking correction. Users who experienced issues linking devices through the Works with Google Home feature should now enjoy a smoother setup experience. And this is the part most people miss. Version 3.36, released on July 8, 2025, primarily delivers bug fixes. Although this update hasn't been widely seen yet, Google has already begun rolling out version 3.37, according to reports from today. Bug fixes in version 3.36. Fewer no video available errors. Camera users will now encounter a reduced number of errors related to recent videos not being available for streaming. Improved camera screen reliability. The fix addresses an issue where toggling a camera off and then on during a live stream triggered a camera unavailable error, ensuring a more reliable streaming experience. Streamlined setup process. An interruption that affected the setup flow post QR code scans or manual code entries has been corrected. Accurate outdoor temperature display. An error on Android devices that mistakenly showed incorrect outdoor temperatures has been resolved. Further crash reductions. A significant crash issue related to suspend resume functions has been fixed, which should enhance overall app performance. What do you think about these updates? Do these changes mark a step forward in smart home technology, or could they lead to unforeseen complications? Let us know your thoughts and join the conversation in the comments. Google Nest cameras. Less no video available errors after recent update. Imagine the frustration of trying to watch a video from your Nest camera only to be greeted with a no video available message. This has been a persistent pain point for many users, but Google is taking steps to alleviate this issue. In a recent update to the Google Home app, version 3.36, the tech giant claims significant improvements that should reduce the frequency of these errors. For those who have experienced this annoyance, you're not alone. Many Nest Cam users have encountered situations where the Home app displays "This video isn't available yet" when attempting to view a recording or respond to a notification. While the problem has improved over time, it remains frustratingly common. Google's latest update aims to change this. According to their support page, users should expect to see fewer instances of no video available errors. Additionally, the company has addressed another common issue: camera unavailable messages after turning a camera back on. These enhancements are designed to provide a smoother and more reliable experience. Specifically, the update includes reduced no video available errors. Users will encounter fewer occasions where recently recorded videos are not yet accessible for streaming. Improved camera stream reliability. An issue where switching a camera off and on during a live stream would lead to a camera unavailable error has been fixed, ensuring the stream resumes correctly. While these improvements are undoubtedly welcome, they come at a time when some users are already feeling the pinch from rising costs, particularly with Nest Aware. The service's price increase has sparked debates about value for money, making these fixes even more timely. But here's where it gets controversial. Some might argue that while these improvements are positive, they don't fully address the underlying issues causing these errors in the first place. What do you think? Should Google focus more on preventing these errors rather than just reducing their frequency? For more insights into the world of Google Nest, check out these related articles. As Nest Cam falls behind, Google's latest price hike is a tough pill to swallow. Google Home app finally adding more Nest X Yale lock controls later this year. The Nest you knew is dead. Now we know what the Google Home era really looks like. Stay tuned for more updates and keep your thoughts flowing in the comments.